the number of procedures nila dyan or steps na kailangan gawin. Yung passport given naman na meron ka nun. Yung latest visa kasi, it depends on the appointment na mabubook mo sa embassy. Say for example, matagal ka nang hired, okay na, cleared na for visa interview, pero ang na-book mo ay sa August pa or July, di ba, medyo matagal mag-aantay ka.
Correct po.
Flight details naman, how would they, kaya nga sila nagsisik sa inyo ng financial assistance to, you know, to use that money in booking their flight.
Correct.
But, you know, that's a challenge. That's what I'm looking at. Pero nire-require nyo naman to have that flight details.
Correct.
So, how is that?
Yun. So, sir, correct yung mga ano nyo po, yung mga pointers. Kaya gusto ko din na tanungin sa'yo, sir, kasi para talagang we are on the same page. So, correct, sir, that's the number one challenge or problem ng ating mga J1.